Hey guys, and welcome to Car Guy 1999 Reviews. Today, thanks to Seacoast House of Cars, we have something pretty darn special for this reason here. This is the 2006 Chrysler Crossfire manual. So I've driven an SRT6 version, but you couldn't get the SRT6 in a manual. Oops. I'm so used to starting the videos out here that I almost just shut the camera off on you. So this is the fastest Crossfire you can get with a manual. Oh, this thing's so darn cool. 87,000 miles. Six-speed, obviously based off the Mercedes SLK, which you could also get in a stick. But obviously, yeah, so the SRT you could not get in a stick. You could only get a stick in the normal Crossfire, but the take rate was very low. So a manual Crossfire now is pretty darn hard to find. I do love the shift knob. It's one thing I didn't expect to like a ton, was just the shift knob, but it actually feels great in your hand. This was back when Chrysler was doing retro futuristic cars, like the PT Cruiser, the Prowler, stuff like that. Just a pretty cool era in time. So much torque from this V6. And if you think about it, this went up against the 350Z. It's the same basic formula: NA V6, manual transmission, rear-wheel drive, roadster, and coupe. It's a 350Z, an American 350Z that's German. Actually, pedals are placed decently for heel toe. Alright, you guys, thank you so much for watching this video. Please like, share, subscribe. I'll see you all in the next one.